¿Cómo? Oh,
He says you're on video.
yeah, I'm on camera.
Yeah.
That's what he's telling me, yeah.
I comprende.
What is it? You're taking pictures of the shoe shine or what?
Yeah, the shoe shine.
All right, tell your friends when they come to Algodones, they need a shoe shine, come see me.
Yep.
Also, if they need dental, optical, pharmacy, I can help them. And, you know, come look for Guadalupe for shoes.
They're gonna look like new.
Now you have to be careful because all these Mexican señoritas will be chasing you. They're gonna
Yeah.
be running after you.
Uh-huh.
All the Mexican girls.
They see them new shoes, they'll think I'm something.
They're gonna think that you're related to Donald Trump.
Yes. Well, that would be a good relation.
You like him?
I do like him.
Okay.